Wiese's Dock and Door division is the nation's leading full-service provider of loading dock equipment for manufacturing and distributing facilities. Our team of factory-trained technicians specialize in making sure that your docks are running safely, reliably, and most importantly, on time. At Wiese, we know that having a well-built and well-maintained dock and door is more effective, more productive, and ultimately saves you time and money. That's why Wiese's planned maintenance program is the perfect way to increase the value and long-term viability of your operation by keeping your loading docks in peak condition. Using a comprehensive safety inspection checklist, we can identify exactly what your location requires, whether it's levelers, restraints, sectional doors, or spring adjustments. Wiese comes prepared for every contingency, making sure your setup is efficient and your facility is protected. We offer complete install and maintenance solutions using only the highest quality products and materials from brands like Meguiar and Rytec, just to name a couple. Whether it's an interior or exterior application, routine or emergency, standard installation or specialty system, a handful of loading docks or several hundred, we never shy away from a challenge. Accountability and excellence is what drives us every day. See how Wiese can make a difference for you by calling 800-228-0049 or visit wieseusa.com to learn more.